도널드 트럼프 대통령이 취임하고 일론 머스크 테슬라 CEO가 이끄는 연방효율부, 즉 도지의 연방공무원 감축 정책이 탄력을 받고 있는 가운데 미국 연방공무원들과 연방부처 계약직 노동자들이 대규모 해고 사태로 인해 경제적 어려움과 불안감에 시달리고 있습니다. 특히 수도 워싱턴 DC와 인접해 연방정부 공무원 인구가 특히나 많은 이곳 북버지니아 지역에서 연방정부 관련 근로자들에 대한 대대적인 해고 사태가 이뤄질 경우 지역 경제에 큰 타격이 불가피할 것으로 보입니다. 이런 가운데 3월 8일 버지니아 알링턴에서 연방정부 공무원 및 계약직 노동자를 위한 자원 박람회가 개최됐습니다. 트럼프 정부가 들어서며 일자리를 잃은 연방 공무원들을 위한 잡페어가 이곳 현장에서 열렸습니다. 버지니아 알링턴의 웨이크필드 고등학교에서 열린 행사에는 수백 명의 참석자들이 몰린 가운데 지역 민주당 의원들이 대거 참여해 해고된 연방 직원들과 직접 대화하며 그들의 이야기에 귀 기울였습니다.
Yeah, so this is a pop-up resource fair for impacted federal workers and contractors. In collaboration with Congressman Beyer, Falls Church, Arlington, Alexandria, and Fairfax County decided that we wanted to respond to the unemployment concerns and all the needs we're hearing from our workers. Like 16% of Northern Virginia is a federal worker, and usually for every one federal worker, there's probably 2 to 3 contractors who are impacted. So we know that there's some real impacts to real people right now with the changes that are happening at the federal government. And we wanted to be able to respond to that with, unemployment assistance, food assistance, housing, other human services, and some job resources so people know what their rights are as a federal worker. There are second order effects. It's not just those federal workers who are impacted who've lost their jobs. It's also people who then worry about losing their jobs. The private sector is starting to do layoffs as well. And so it does have real impacts on the economy. And local governments are on the front lines. We're the ones who are responding to the needs just like during the pandemic.
이날 자원 박람회에서는 페어팩스 카운티, 알링턴 카운티, 알렉산드리아의 여러 기관들이 일자리 네트워킹과 공공지원 정보를 제공했습니다. 각 카운티 교육청에서는 일제히 이들을 대상으로 한 일자리를 마련해 알렸고 비영리 단체들은 식량 지원, 법률 지원, 취업 코칭 등의 정보를 나눴습니다. 웨이크필드 고등학교 식당에서는 연방 근로자의 권리에 대한 세미나도 열렸습니다.
You've got folks with decades of experience helping people through the federal government who are being fired willy-nilly with no notice, no reason. And what's happening is that you're going to harm people who need the services provided by the federal government. And they're finally realizing that the harm that these cuts are creating are going to be felt all around the country. Well, we need to be organized, not only in helping, Congressman Beyer has done an amazing job bringing all of these resources together to help folks in our community, but it's also about being certain that we are organized, and the one major national election in the United States in this year, 2025, is here in Virginia, where we elect all of the members of the House of Delegates, the governor, lieutenant governor, and attorney general.
I worry for our communities. I worry after the results of the last election about how we're going to recover and what if we have the leadership that we need right now to not only win back the trust of the American people, but also to present an alternative vision to the chaos that we're seeing in DC.
이날 박람회에 모인 참석자들은 현재 연방정부 각 부처의 분위기가 살벌하다고 표현했습니다. 한 참석자는 많은 사람들이 예기치 않게 직장을 잃었고 어떻게 생계를 유지할지 막막해하고 있다며 좋은 사람들에게 매우 어려운 경제적 시기가 올 것이라고 우려를 나타냈습니다. 국제개발처에서 해고된 한 전직 공무원은 사무실 직원들이 단체 이메일을 통해 해고됐다며 분통을 터뜨렸고 EPA 소속 전직 공무원은 신혼여행 중에 해고 통보를 받았다고 이야기했습니다. 현장에서 수많은 참석자들과 일일이 이야기하며 그들의 고충을 전해들은 돈 베이어 의원은 트럼프 정부가 무분별한 이념적 정책으로 국민들의 민생을 외면하고 있다고 지적했습니다.
I was trying to give people hope that a lot of people here today have just lost their jobs or lost their contracts. So they're feeling afraid. They don't know how they're going to pay their bills or buy groceries, pay their kids' tuition. So we're trying to give them as many resources here as we can. The local governments, Fairfax, Arlington, Falls Church, Alexandria, they've been really good at bringing their resources together here. but we just want to let people know we're here to help them get through this difficult time. I think it's a terrible thing, but it's a terrible thing for the lives of the Northern Virginians, but it's an even worse thing for the lives of Americans across the country that are served by these people. When he fires 80,000 people from the Veterans Administration, that affects the millions of veterans that are out there everywhere in America. When he comes and takes people at NOAA, which is all of our weather forecasters, it's going to make people aren't going to know about the tornadoes and the hurricanes and the earthquakes that are happening everywhere else. So everything that happens to people here is going to be impacting people that voted for Donald Trump in a lot of other places. My key thing I want to say to the Korean American people is thank you for being good Americans. We're very lucky that we have so many Korean Americans in Northern Virginia in positions of leadership with strong businesses, often family businesses. What we want to make sure is that you are not afraid of the immigration enforcement. That if almost every Korean American I know has the right to be here, and we don't want you swept up in these irresponsible, reckless immigration sweeps, sent to Guantanamo, deported, when you have every right to stay here.
연방정부 관련 일자리에서 근무하는 주민들의 비율이 13%로 집계되는 북버지니아 지역 각 카운티가 민간 부문의 산업 및 기업들의 성장을 적극적인 지원 정책들을 시급히 정비해야 한다는 목소리가 집중적으로 제기된 현장이었습니다. K나우 미디어 뉴스 이현경입니다.